another video, man. You just now tuned into the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on. That way you'll get notified every single time I drop one of these videos, man. Man, the sun is, bro, I tried to give y'all a little light this morning, man, but anyway, man, hold on, let me adjust something real quick. I gave y'all a cold start this morning because that's the last cold start y'all gonna hear with this stock exhaust. Now, mind you, on the stock exhaust, only thing I did was cut the mufflers off, bro. And I just, like I tell everybody, when you do a muffler delete, it's just gonna make it louder. You feel what I'm saying? It's gonna make it louder. But if you get an actual aftermarket exhaust, man, it's gonna give it a nice sound, bro. Not only is it gonna be loud, but it's gonna give it a nice sound. And that's what this video is about today. What's up, man? That's what this video is about today, man. I got a brand, hey, first of all, shout out to AWE, bro. AWE Performance, man. I hit them up and they sent me the exhaust of my choice, man. And y'all hear it back there, man. I'm gonna show y'all what I did in a minute. But as y'all can see, man, they sent me the exhaust of my choice, and I ended up going with the AWE Track Edition exhaust. It's two different types of exhaust they make with this Jeep. They make the Touring, the AWE Touring Edition, and then they also make the AWE Track Edition. I said I'm gonna give y'all one little slight pull with the stock exhaust, man. It ain't that big, just a little. Alright, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. That's it. That's the last time y'all gonna hear this exhaust, man. I'm actually headed to the exhaust shop now. Just dropped little man off. So yeah. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So y'all know Child Performance, that's where I get all my exhaust work done. So you in the Montgomery area looking for a good exhaust shop, hit them up. Now look, this is the thing though. Now I want to look at changing the tips on the Trackhawk. Now I saw these right here, they got the little, you know what I'm saying? I forgot the technical term, so all you technical junkies out there, like, I don't know what y'all call these tips. But then I also thought about getting the black ones. I don't know, but I just want something more than stock, man. But I'm trying to think, like these are bigger than the ones I got on there already. Definitely not going with those because those too big. But I don't know, man. What y'all think about these? Because I think this is about the stock size already on there. I'm finna give y'all one last rev with the stock exhaust. Hold on. That'll be the last time y'all hear that stock exhaust, man. And let me show y'all the AWE, bro. Of course, y'all seen in the last video when I did the actual unboxing. But so the box was too big to fit in the actual trunk, so I had to take the exhaust out the box and put everything in here, man. And like I said, these are clamps and bolts and everything that come with it, man. And then these are the instructions. So it should be pretty simple, man. Like I said, it's going straight to the cats. So it should bolt right up pretty easy, man. But I know my guys at Child Performance, man, they're gonna take care of me because they literally have done all the exhaust work to every single car I had. The Scat Pack, the Hellcat. After this, man, I'm gonna take this car. I gotta lower it, man. How far y'all think I should lower it? Should be like 1.5 inches in the front, I mean, 1 inch in the front, 1.5 inches in the back. I don't know, but I definitely got to get this car lowered because this ain't it. And I got to get it wrapped, bro, because these fingerprint stuff and this black ain't gonna cut it. So yeah, but yeah, man, that's it. Just stay tuned. They got the Trackhawk going inside, man. It's time to go to surgery, man. She finna go to surgery, get the exhaust put on. All right, y'all, take a look. This is gonna be the last time y'all see this exhaust on the Trackie. It's still stock, man. We had put I think there was a MagnaFlow X pipe we put right there last time I brought it here, man. But yeah, man, so next time y'all see up under this truck, man, it's gonna be all chrome with the new AWE Track Edition exhaust, man. So, you know, I'm gonna let them go and do their thing, man, and y'all just stay tuned. So they almost done, y'all, but look, just a little sneak peek, man. This exhaust looks so good. Oh my God, bro. It's the chrome, the finish. Only thing they gotta do now is put the tips on, man. So That's all they doing now. This the little part I was telling y'all about. This little part of the frame, and if I wanted some bigger tips, then they was gonna hit that part right there. So unfortunately, I got to stay with the stock tips for now until I can find some aftermarket tips to go specifically for this truck, man. But they got the tips on, and the next clip is gonna be when they lower it. Alright, man, y'all see the Hawk finally done, man. It didn't even take them that long, bro, but I know y'all want to get some rails in, so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all what y'all want. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up, go ahead and rail this thing for y'all with the new AWE exhaust. That AWE exhaust sound good. Oh my God. I got to ride with the window down. Alright, man. I'm gonna go head out my boy Mike real quick, but bruh, this is exhaust, man. Hold on, man. I know y'all heard that whine. I know y'all heard that whine. Boy, AWE for the win, my boy. Yes, sir. Stop playing. Stop playing. Boy, that AWE exhaust sounds so good. Oh my God. Bruh, I know y'all heard it, bro. Hold on. I'm about to. Bruh. Hold on. Bruh. Hold on, man. This car in front of me going slow. Bro, get out though. Bro. Ooh, what? Oh my God, bro. Bro, I'm gonna see what the downshift look like. Ooh, bro, listen. My God, bro. Oh my God. Oh, it's a wrap. It is a wrap. It is. Oh my God, bro. Do y'all hear this? Oh my God, it's a wrap, bro. It is a wrap. Boy, this don't sound so good, bro. I can't lie. AWE, shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to y'all for giving me this exhaust, bro. Listen. Oh, I can't. Oh my God. I can't wait till I go headers. I already know once I go headers, bro, and I put them Cactus mirrors on here, oh, it's gonna be even louder. It's gonna be even louder, man. That bitch sounds so good.